Every bottle of orange juice begins here, in carefully managed orchards, where millions of oranges are grown each season.
Orchards are designed for uniform growth and efficient harvesting. Tree spacing, irrigation, and pruning all influence.
Ripeness is critical for juice production. Sugar levels, acidity, and aroma peak at the right moment. Harvest timing defines taste.
Oranges are harvested carefully to avoid bruising. Gentle handling preserves juice quality. Even small damage can affect processing.
Annual harvesting allows visual quality checks at the source. Defective fruit is removed early. Quality control begins in the field.
Once harvested, oranges are gathered into bulk containers. Field sorting removes leaves and debris. Clean input improves factory.
Prepared fruit is loaded for transport. Logistics now take over. Speed and protection remain priorities.
Fresh oranges move quickly from orchard to factory. Short transport times preserve aroma and vitamin content. Time matters.
Large juice factories coordinate deliveries continuously. Arrival timing matches processing capacity. Logistics define efficiency.
Modern juice factories are designed for continuous, high-volume processing. Every section is interconnected. Scale defines the layout.
At the factory, intake operations begin immediately. Facilities of this scale operate around the clock. Flow never stops.
Incoming fruit is weighed precisely to track yield and inventory. Accurate data supports production planning. Measurement matters.
Real-time weight data feeds directly into processing schedules. Volume determines line speed. Information drives decisions.
Oranges enter temporary storage hoppers designed to cushion impact. Controlled flow prevents bruising. Design protects quality. Gentle conveyor motion maintains fruit integrity. Speed is carefully controlled. Even movement matters. Before processing, oranges are thoroughly washed. Dirt, pesticides, and surface contaminants are removed. Clean fruit ensures safe juice.
Soft brushes clean the peel without damaging the fruit. Water quality and pressure are carefully regulated. Cleaning is precise. After washing, oranges are visually inspected. Defective or damaged fruit is removed. Quality gates remain strict.
Vision systems detect blemishes and mold at speed. Automation replaces manual sorting. Accuracy improves consistency.
Rejected fruit is diverted for alternative uses. Nothing is wasted unnecessarily. Efficiency drives sustainability.
Only approved fruit proceeds to juicing. From here, transformation begins. The pace accelerates.
Uniform alignment ensures efficient juice extraction. Precision begins before cutting. Preparation prevents loss.
Juice extraction systems now await. This is where fruit becomes liquid. Technology takes center stage.
With preparation complete, the orange juice process officially begins.
Juice extraction begins using specialized machines designed to separate juice efficiently without crushing the peel.
Each orange is positioned and pressed just enough to release juice. Excessive force would release bitter compounds. Control protects taste.
Pasteurization. Fresh juice flows immediately into closed channels to limit oxygen exposure. Rapid transfer.
Natural pulp and seeds are separated at this stage. Separation improves texture consistency. Early clarification simplifies later processing.
Pulp levels are adjusted according to product specifications. Screens regulate texture. Consistency meets consumer preference.
Recovered pulp can be reintroduced later to achieve the desired mouthfeel. Control allows flexibility. Customization begins early. Primary filtration removes remaining large particles. This step improves clarity without stripping flavor. Balance is essential.
Filtration screens operate at carefully controlled flow rates. Gentle processing protects natural characteristics. Precision matters.
Aroma recovery systems capture volatile compounds lost during processing. These aromas define.
Orange peels are diverted immediately after extraction. These byproducts are valuable resources. Nothing goes to waste.
Essential oils from orange peel are captured separately. These oils are used in flavorings, cosmetics, and cleaning products. Recovery adds value.
Food-grade stainless steel dominates the environment. Cleanability and hygiene guide every design choice. Sanitation is built in.
Captured aromas are stored separately under controlled conditions. They will be reintroduced later. Flavor engineering is deliberate.
Dissolved oxygen is removed to prevent oxidation.
Oxygen accelerates flavor loss and color change. Deaeration protects freshness.
Juice is temporarily stored in blending tanks to equalize batch variations. Consistent flavor is the goal. Blending ensures uniformity.
Gentle agitation prevents separation without introducing air. Uniform composition is maintained. Stability takes priority.
Samples are taken to test sugar content, acidity, and color. Analytical testing confirms processing targets. Science guides decisions.
Brix and pH values define taste balance. Measurements guide adjustments. Data confirms quality.
With extraction complete, juice moves towards stabilization. Heat treatment ensures safety. Control remains critical. Sensors prepare for precise thermal control. Gradual temperature changes protect flavor. Technology manages transition. Pasteurization systems now take over. This stage secures safety and shelf life. Precision defines success.
Flow rate determines exposure time to heat. Accurate control prevents overprocessing. Balance protects quality.
Every pipeline is designed for cleanliness and control. Integration supports continuous flow. Design enables efficiency. Temperature begins to rise gradually. Gentle heating prevents flavor degradation. Preparation matters.
Operators monitor every variable in real time. Automated systems maintain targets. Human oversight remains constant.
Redundant safety systems protect equipment and product. Reliability is engineered. Risk is minimized.
The juice now enters the critical stabilization phase. Safety and quality converge here. Precision is essential.
Immediately after heating, the juice is cooled rapidly. Fast cooling locks in freshness. Thermal shock is carefully controlled.
Hygienic design dominates every surface. Cleanability supports food safety. Structure enforces standards. Extraction and stabilization are complete. What follows is cooling, filling, and packaging. Pasteurization applies precise heat to eliminate harmful microorganisms.
Sensors track every degree and second of exposure. Automated controls correct deviations instantly. Precision protects quality.
Stabilized juice is transferred to aseptic tanks isolated from air and contaminants. Sterility, shelf life.
Before packaging, juice undergoes final quality checks. Taste, color, and microbiology are verified. Approval is mandatory.
Analytical instruments confirm clarity and safety. Data validates processing success. Science signs off. Packaging is sterilized before filling. Clean containers protect the finished juice. Hygiene extends beyond the product. Aseptic filling delivers juice without exposure to air. Precision volumes ensure consistency. Accuracy defines professional bottling.
Low turbulence filling prevents foaming and oxygen pickup. Flavor and aroma are preserved. Gentle handling continues.
Closure integrity is measured automatically. Under or over tightening is corrected instantly. Consistency protects shelf life.
Non-conforming bottles are removed without slowing production. Continuous flow is preserved. Quality never pauses. Labels are applied with precise alignment, carrying nutritional and regulatory information. Presentation matters. Information builds trust. Bait coating ensures traceability and inventory control. Each unit is uniquely identified. Compliance is built in.
Heat causes the film to contract tightly around the pack. Secure bundles resist damage. Protection continues beyond the factory.
With packaging complete, products move toward storage and distribution. The final stages approach. Flow remains continuous.
Production data updates in real time. Inventory begins forming instantly. Information guides logistics.
Robotic palletizers prepare products for large-scale distribution. Stability and efficiency define this stage. Engineering meets logistics. Stacking patterns are optimized for strength and space efficiency. Design prevents damage. Precision continues.
Every system now works in synchronization. From fruit to bottle, the process nears completion. Integration defines success.
Final checks confirm readiness for storage. Approval clears the product forward. Standards are upheld.
Packaged juice leaves the production floor. The factory prepares for distribution. The journey continues.
Barcodes link each pack to inventory systems. Traceability extends through logistics. Data follows the product.
Pallets take shape as products accumulate. The scale of output becomes visible. Production meets demand.
Filling and packaging are complete. Storage and distribution now take over.